Mariposa's video this afternoon. So we have been practicing this wonderful balance trio recently, especially in our slow flow classes on a Sunday afternoon. So here is one side of the lovely balance trio. So you can have a little go at this on one side and then just repeat it for the other side. So when you're ready, come to some space. Make sure you've got enough space behind you and in front of you. You might need some props, so I've just got a couple of blocks here, but a couple of books will be perfect. Place those blocks or books on the floor in front of you. When you're ready, come to stand behind them, but leave a bit of space, maybe a foot in between the blocks and your foot. So we're going to do this balance on our right side to begin with. So when you're ready, gently take the pressure into your right hand side. Draw the left knee up, take the hands to the waist, and draw the toes of the left foot towards you. Very active in this pose as we take 3 deep breaths. And then when you're ready, exhale and draw this left leg through, nice and slowly with control and purpose. Coming into warrior 3, but I'm keeping my hands on my waist so that I can concentrate on pressing through my left heel, away through my left leg, and lifting that left leg in line. 3 nice deep breaths when you get here. And then exhaling the right hand down to the floor. Turn the left toes now to face the left side and draw the left hand above. Into our half moon pose. You can keep the gaze down to the floor, look to the side or look to the ceiling, whichever suits you best. 3 breaths. And then I've been landing this one back into warrior 2 because it feels really nice to be grounded in our warrior 2. And you can add on a little cheeky reverse warrior here. And then a very careful back to warrior 2. And then a step forwards to the front of the mat. And then repeat that on the other side. Enjoy the little balance trio. Namaste.